Welcome to January 2026. We have a lot of stuff on the go. I am preparing for our Empower Innovate Color Your Calm workshop. So it's going to be about having the little books. It's going up. The sale for the ticket prices are going to start January 13th, and basically it's going to be $40, but there's an early bird prize, there's a duo prize, there's a VIP prize, and there's a supporter prize. So we have a couple of prices to fit all of the needs, and basically we're going to do a guided mental health workshop. Lots of really fun things. We're going to go through the different coloring books. You do get this with your tickets. You're going to get a workshop book, and we're going to color. We're going to write outside of the lines different words that are going to come through us as I lead you through an exercise. That's color your calm. That's going to remind you about you've got this, right? You have this. So we are all going to have a great year. We are going to prepare for a great year. I know many times people have given themselves some activities that's going to allow them to move into with their resolutions. March is a perfect time to do a little health check, and that's what it's going to be. So as you can see, I have different sizes. You can purchase these at any time, but this will be in your package when you get a Color Your Calm workshop package. So see you soon. Looking forward to it. Stay engaged. You'll get more information as the time goes. Bye.